Hello, this is Peter with Xemelgo. I'd like to provide you a quick demonstration of our work order tracking module. This provides either a mobile or web experience where factory and warehouse workers can go ahead and track work orders as they progress through the manufacturing process. For example, here we see this specific work order. Currently, it's in the assembly location, not completed yet, but we can see all the different timing as it progressed through the process. We can go ahead and potentially mark something as expedited or as complete. As that happens, users will get notifications. Behind the scenes, we can also set up thresholds for time, saying, hey, if it's beyond 2 hours or 2 days at a certain location, go ahead and send an alarm. In addition, just by looking at specific work orders, we can also look at specific locations on how many orders are at that position of the queue and quickly and easily decide, hey, we need more workforce here, things like that. From an administration standpoint, adding a new work order is really easy. We simply just give it a number, pulling in potentially from an ERP solution, assigning the RFID tag number that corresponds to what's being tracked here, any due date, do you want to expedite it, and then also assign any applicable parts to have as part of the paper trail. Thank you very much.